What's good, YouTube? What's good? It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while. Y'all don't miss me anyway, man. Show me some love, man. Hit the like button. Make some comments below, whatever the case may be. I know I've been away from YouTube for a little while, whatever. What a case. I don't know. I don't know. I've been away or whatever. I've been mainly focusing on my students and teaching them the game on how to trade in the market without using robots, without taking signals and stuff like this. It's a lot of people on social media that's doing this. They playing with robots and stuff like that. When the robot break, they run into the next opportunity and stuff like this. But this is why it's important for you to learn how to trade so you don't have to resort to a robot or even taking signals. The person who you even taking signals from something could happen to him. They can die. They can be in a hospital. They could just be like, you know what, the hell with all of you guys, and just disappear. And then you shit out of luck. You don't have no signals. You don't have no money to make. You got to run to the next, to the next shining thing that you see. All right, so this is the good thing about learning how to trade on your own, and this is what I'm doing with my students. I'm showing them how to trade. I took a couple of trades this week. We can't go over them or whatever the case may be. I can show you what I've done or whatever the case may be. I'm in a trade right now. I'm in an EU trade. I'm in massive deep profit right now. I'm about to jump out though because it's about to pull back. I don't think I'm gonna just take my profits for the day, and probably find another entry over the weekend. Tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow we normally, withdraw on a Friday. All right. So, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got, man. Because I definitely, okay. Let's see. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just trying to set this up. All right. All right. Cool. Let's get this thing going. All right. So, I'm gonna go over some trades that I took this week. And that's it. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta come holler at me, come sign up. Uh, uh, let's see. Let me do this now. Okay. Okay. We have a pull back. I'm holding. I'm just gonna hold it anyway. I'm not jumping out that trade. The trade is still pushing down. Um. Okay. So we're gonna go over some of the trades that I took this week. Today uh is the 20th. So on the 18th, I took a GJ trade. Okay, I took a GJ trade. Um, the GJ trade, and I got in 153, 379, on 156, 379. Oh, right there, 156, 379. That's this line right here. And I actually took it all the way down. I took it down to 155, 155, 155, 571, 579. So pretty much at this line I took it to. So we can actually see how many pips that I took. Because over here at Team Ball Store we get pips. We don't count money. We count pips. All right, everything is in the pips. So there's 81 pips I smashed and I took. Okay, 81 pips. All right, so as you see, there was another entry here, and I pretty much messed that one up. I actually didn't jump in this trade. All right, I actually forgot about this trade, and I could have took the trade. But as you can see, it's going down to my take profit 3. Okay, so like, guys, I'm telling you, I'm nice at this shit. Like, I'm not even going to cap. So I'm gonna grow my account on the low and do what I gotta do. You know what I mean? My bossed up platform. Like, listen, you gotta come there if you want to learn how to trade. All right, I know what I'm doing. As you can see, I know what I'm doing. All right, bossedupblueprint.com. .com. Sign up. All right, sign up. You might have the coupon code. Hit me up. I give you a coupon code. Take 50% off your initial sign up on the first sign up, first month. Try it out. You understand what I'm saying? I'm really giving people the game and teaching people how to trade. You know what I'm saying? If you notice, I don't have no crew. I am my own crew. This is bossed up. I don't rock with nobody. I do what I do for me. You understand what I'm saying? Because these entrepreneurs or these traders that are already up there, they got their teams already. They got their little squadrons. And unfortunately, I didn't find their groups. I don't know how to meet them and get in there. You know what I mean? So I didn't have the luxury like some other people to learn from directly from some of these great traders. I literally learned this on my own. I put in work. You know what I mean? And just like anything in my life that I ever did, I always put in work. You know what I mean? Um, but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna talk about this. It was another GJ trade, but it didn't take, and it was right about there. It didn't take, right? It didn't even take. Then I had an oil trade. Okay, I had an oil trade. Yes, I jumped in an oil trade this week, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I definitely made some money. You know what I mean? Boom, here go the oil trade. See? And I jumped out perfectly. All right, let me erase this right here so you can see what I did. And as you can see, I want to mark it up right now. I'm going to tell you where I jumped in at. Oil 84, 84 9, 45, 84, 84, 84 945, 84 94 right here. So right in between here, this is where I got it at. I got in the trade. Okay. And then I took it to 85 680. See, I should have I didn't take it all the way up. I should have. 85, and I took it to about right here. See? So when it started to pull back, and that's when I jumped out. I was like, you know what? Let me just jump out because I knew the market was going to start dropping. I knew it was going to drop. Okay, I knew the market was going to start dropping. If you look here, I got a harmonic pattern right here set up, waiting for it to come right now. Okay, this right here will become invalid. It'll be the next one right here, and my entry will be somewhere around there somewhere. And this one is lower. Boom. This is probably a whole new pattern right now. It's probably a whole new pattern, but I had a harmonic pattern set right there. Now I'll do that on my own. YouTube, you ain't getting all that. Sorry. Sorry, man. Y'all don't even watch me enough for me to even do all of that. All right, so I made some money on that trade. I mean, um, then I can show you all the good, all day. But there's also bads. There's also bads. GU smashed me this week. Okay, GU smashed me this week. Look at it. I had it for a sell 1.36, 1.36119. So right here, right around here, somewhere I was supposed to sell. Here you go, right here. The 19th. No, it says the 20th. So the 20th, I had it for a sale. I don't know what happened right here, but I did have this for sale. And this looked like I had it for a buy. Okay, I had a buy and I had a sell. 136212. So right around this area here, I did have a buy. But I had a sell. 156. No. 136, 119. Yeah, I had a sell and it pushed up on me. That's what happened. I had a sell and it pushed up on me. I thought it was gonna start selling and it pushed up on me. But I did have a buy and it didn't take my order. It actually punched me out. So I lost that trade. Around like 25 pips on that trade. And then I lost again on gold. Gold smacked me too. Right around this area here, I had a really tight stop loss. Okay, so what I was gonna do, as you can see, I have a buy set for here. So I had a real tight stop loss because I seen the market, it was diving, it was dipping. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just ride it down to here and then jump back in for the buy. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. It pushed me out, knocked me out the trade, and then as you can see now, it's dropping. Okay, so that's how I lost on gold. See, one thing about me that you'll see is even if I lose a trade, I will not get back. I will not get into another trade until I know exactly why I lost the previous trade. I don't make moves like that. I don't teach my students to move like that. I show my students how to make money the right way, where they ain't got to worry and they ain't got to stress. I don't have no stress. My account is damn near it's a free risk account. Okay? So if I don't know how to trade, then I don't know how I got a free risk account. So on gold, like I said, gold I lost. But oh shit. I'm in oil right now for a buy. I'm in oil right now for a buy. You don't believe me? Look. I'm in oil right now for a buy. Okay? I'm in oil right now for a buy. No cap. No cap. I don't cap. You see it moving. Okay? You see it moving. I don't cap. I don't cap. These are sell limits that I've set. I have, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. 4 more trades set. When they hit, they hit. Now I'm gonna ride the oil. I'm gonna ride that out. My losing trade that I had the other yesterday with gold, I already made it back. And like I said, this is a risk-free account. You guys gotta boss up and fucks with me. I'm sorry to cursing, stuff like that, but you guys gotta really boss up and mess with me. I'm the truth. I'm the real deal. I ain't gonna say it again. You guys are gonna wait until I really blow. I'm not trying to do this YouTube shit. I'm really not. So if you guys are looking for me to be the illustrator on YouTube, you're mistaken. I'm not gonna do that. Okay? Like I said, right now I'm focused on my team. I'm focused on my team learning how to trade. They have to learn how to trade. Once they learn how to trade, then they could go out and it will be proof that I am the boss when it comes to this forex life. All right. You know how I give it up, man. Y'all know how I give it up. I showed y'all the trades. I'm in the trades right now. Okay, I'm in the trades right now, right as we speak, right now. Where's oil? Let's take a look at oil right now, and then I'm out of here. I'm not giving YouTube. Now, y'all don't like my stuff. Look, boom, it activated me in the trade. Okay, it activated me in the trade. I'm still in an uptrend. Okay, still in the uptrend. So even though it broke and everything, I'm still cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. I know it's going to reverse. Okay, I'm cool. Look at that divergence. Everything's set. There we go. There we go. Okay. So we activating these trades. We taking these trades. I'm activated for a buy. It is dropping. Like I said, you guys, if you guys see it, you can follow it with yourself and see what happened. I don't have a problem with showing if I lose or if I win or anything like that. I know I'm the boss. And regardless, I'm at the beginning stages and I'm still busting ass. All right. On that note, man. On that note, I'm up out of here, man. I'm up out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for watching. Share my video if you want. Tell more people about it. Subscribe. You know, I'm here now, man. Sign up to my Boss Blueprint and come learn. Alright? Boss up. I'll continue to get bossed around. You know I'm bossed to live a good life already.